Hello traders, I'm Mr. Rich. Today I'm going to break down in detail how to use the compounding strategy correctly, safely, and for maximum results. My current balance is $600 and I'll be showing you every step, from reading market structure, identifying the best entry points, managing risk effectively, all the way to executing the compounding process with full discipline. I won't skip anything. I'll explain it as clearly as if you were sitting right in front of me, learning face to face. So make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and watch until the very end. Because every single point I share here is a key that could change the way you trade forever. Alright, the first step you need to prepare is 3 moving average indicators. First, a moving average with a period of 7, colored green, to track short-term price movements. Second, a moving average with a period of 20, colored yellow to observe medium-term trends. Third, a moving average with a period of 60, colored red to measure long-term trends. In addition, add the MACD indicator with the default settings, which we'll use to confirm momentum and the overall market direction. Alright, the way to use this strategy is actually very simple, but it requires discipline in execution. Step 1. Focus on the green line on the chart. This is the 7-period moving average, which serves as both your trend indicator and your signal direction. When the green line crosses the yellow line, 20-period MA, that's our moment to open a position. If the green line crosses above the yellow line, that's a signal to buy. If the green line crosses below the yellow line, that's a signal to sell. Step 2. If in some cases you notice more than 3 candles closing above or below the green line, it usually indicates a strong trend. In this case, you can follow the trend in the direction of the market. Step 3, the red line, 60-period MA, acts as a dynamic support and resistance. If the last candle touches the red line, the next candle will often bounce, allowing us to anticipate an entry opportunity. Step 4. Also pay attention to the MACD indicator with default settings. If there's a crossover on the MACD, we can use it as an additional confirmation, following the direction of the green line's crossover. By following these 4 points with discipline, this compounding strategy can become one of your most powerful tools in trading. Alright, let's jump straight into the trading session. I'm going to demonstrate this strategy live so you can clearly understand how to apply it in real market conditions. Watch every step I take closely because even the smallest detail can make a big difference in your trading results. Alright, here I can see a crossover on the moving averages where the green line crosses below the yellow line. This is a clear bearish signal, so I've decided to take a sell position. Now, let's watch how the price moves. The candle is moving as predicted, gradually going down following the trend direction. We'll wait until this position closes. Okay? The position has closed and the result is profit. We've successfully read the signal correctly. Now let's open the market again and look for the next opportunity. Alright, this time I'm taking a buy position. The reason is that the current price is in an area I've identified as a strong support. Based on my experience and technical analysis, this area has a high potential for a bounce to the upside, so we'll enter a buy here and see how it plays out. Now watch closely. The candle is starting to move up, gradually following our analysis. We'll wait until this position closes. Okay, the position has closed and the result is profit. We've successfully taken advantage of the price bounce from the support area. Now, let's open the market again and look for the next opportunity. Alright, this time I've decided to take a buy position. The reason is simple yet solid. The last candle and the current price have touched the red line, which I previously explained as the dynamic support area from the 60-period moving average. From my experience, whenever the price touches this line, there's a high probability of a bounce to the upside. This is the kind of moment I like to take advantage of with full confidence. Now, let's watch closely. The candle is gradually moving upward, showing that buyers are stepping in, just as we anticipated. We stay calm, avoid rushing, and wait for the position to close. Okay. The position has closed and the result is profit. We've successfully capitalized on the price bounce from the support area perfectly. Now, let's open the market again and search for the next opportunity. Alright guys, I'm taking a buy position right now. Why? Because this red line has been perfectly broken by the last 3 candles. This is a very strong indication that the trend is about to move upward. By entering early like this, we can catch the upward momentum right from the start. Let's watch the result together. Okay, profit. Now, let's open the market again, look for the next opportunity, and execute another trade. I am entering a sell position because the market structure is clearly indicating a strong downward trend. This is not just based on visual observation, but also supported by technical confirmation. Both the green and yellow moving average lines are consistently pointing downward, showing no signs of curving upward or losing momentum. This tells us that bearish pressure remains dominant, and the probability of further decline is very high. I positioned my entry early to maximize potential profits from this movement. Now, let's observe how the candle develops. Alright, profit secured. Alright, I think that's enough for today's trading session, guys. I truly hope the explanations I shared in this video are clear to you, and that you can apply them in your own trading journey. I always make sure to explain each step and the reasons behind my entries, so that you're not just copying the trades, but actually understanding the strategy itself. If you want to dive deeper into this technique, get more personal guidance, and access exclusive trading signals, you can join my VIP group. Inside, I share advanced strategies, trading psychology tips, and the risk management methods I personally use to maintain consistent profits. Thank you for sticking with me until the end of this session. Remember to keep practicing, stay disciplined, and never rush into decisions. See you in the next trading session, and may profits always be with you.